Are you struggling to sort your Django query sets based on a Boolean field? It can be quite tricky, but don't worry. Today, we're going to tackle this challenge together and find a solution that works for you. I completely understand how frustrating it can be when your query sets don't sort the way you expect. You're not alone in this. Many developers face similar issues when trying to manage complex sorting in Django. Here's the specific situation we're addressing. One user asked how to sort two parts of a query set differently based on a Boolean field. They want rows with a Boolean value of true to come first, sorted by date A in ascending order, and rows with a Boolean value of false to come second, sorted by date B in descending order. Sound familiar? Let's dive into this. So what's the challenge here? The user tried using the case and when expressions in Django, but it didn't yield the desired sorting. This is a common pitfall when dealing with complex query sets. Let's break it down and find a better approach. And stick around. I have a powerful tip at the end that will help you streamline your query set sorting in Django even further. To achieve the desired sorting in Django, the user should start by using the annotate method to create a custom sorting field. This field will determine the order based on the Boolean value. Next, the user needs to order the query set by the Boolean field first, ensuring that the rows with bool val set to true come before those with bool val set to false. Now the user should ensure that the sorting for each group is applied correctly. The rows with bool val set to true will be sorted by date A in ascending order, while those with bool val set to false will be sorted by date B in descending order. Finally, the user can execute this query set to retrieve the sorted results. This will give them the desired order based on the Boolean field and the respective date fields. Fun fact, did you know that Django was named after the famous jazz guitarist Django Reinhardt? Just like his music, Django helps you create beautiful applications with style. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by another user involves using a func expression to convert your date-time fields into timestamps. This allows you to negate them for sorting. For MySQL, you can use the Unix timestamp function, while for PostgreSQL, you would use extract with epoch. Let's take a look at an answer from another user. An alternative approach, suggested by another user, involves using the coalesce function. This method allows you to order your query set by either date A or date B, depending on which one is not null. Here's the pro tip I promised. Always test your query sets with different data sets to ensure your sorting logic works as expected. This will save you time and headaches down the road. And there you have it. You should now be able to sort your Django query sets based on a Boolean field effectively. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't forget to check out our next video for more Django tricks.